Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this is going to be an up-down trend, probably make a nice five-way pattern to the downside. I think the 100% Fibonacci extension is a very likely level, but the 78 could also be a very likely area for this to end a wave C. So either scenario, definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend. Going down to the weekly, I still think on the weekly that this first push down right here is a wave one. I still think this move up is probably a corrective wave two. And I still believe that this is going to eventually go down, make that 3, 4, and 5 of wave C, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this looks like low, high, low, high, low highs. I think this is a wave one, nice five-way pattern to the downside. I would actually call this a WXY. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A WXY is very similar to an ABC, except for it has three waves up, three waves down, and three waves up. We definitely do have a Fibonacci bounce. We really don't have a break of structure on this one. A lot of other correlated dollar pairs do have breaks of structures, so I think there is a pretty good chance that this may already be ending a wave two and may already be going down for that wave three. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last push down, which I think is very clearly a downtrend. I think there's a good chance this push up is like a wave two and this is like a wave one. So I would be looking for something like this. I'd be looking for like a three-way pullback. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, nice bearish engulfing move to the downside. And if we get a nice break of structure, that's going to give us even more confidence that it's going to be a really good sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend, which, like I said, this may be the beginning of a big downtrend on the much higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm not really convinced that this little push right here is actually the end of anything. I mean, yeah, maybe. It looks like three waves up, three waves down. One, two, three, four. I think it might have to go up at least one more time. We do have meeting minutes, FOMC meeting minutes today, so maybe it'll go up one more time prior to that news, and then we'll get a Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure, ending the correction and continue it back down. Like I said, seems like it should end up being a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So depending on what time frame you trade on, if you trade on the very short time frames, you probably could still be looking for longs. If you're more of like a day/swing trader, then you should probably be waiting for that Fibonacci bounce, waiting for that engulfing impulsive move to the downside to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.